Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I've got something special and exciting for you. A tutorial on how to animate screenshots in Premiere Pro. Well, if you have wanted to make your tutorials more engaging, your product reviews more interactive, or simply tell a compelling story, animating screenshots in Premiere Pro is the way to go. So I have the screenshot and the motion background with me. I'm going to place my motion background first, and then I'm going to place my screenshot above on it. Here, if you see, if I play the video, the screenshot is so boring and there is no life in there as well. So we're going to animate it and make it more engaging and interactive. So here, select your screenshot, go to the effects control, and if you can't find this panel, go to Windows and select effect controls. Here, if I keep on selecting this, decrease the scale to about this size, toggle the animation. Here, increase the size to about this. That is just a simple way to add an animation. You can make it more interesting by adding the opacity mask. Select the value to 0. Place this keyframe all the way to the left. And here, select the reset parameter. So we have added one more animation, that is opacity. Just by adding these two, you can see your screenshot is looking more good than before. Now go to the effects control. Here, search for the basic 3D. Just select this and place it on your screenshot. Go to the effects control. Now on the left side, you can see there are some of the options, that is swivel, tilt, and distance. We're going to use the first option. Go all the way to the left, add a swivel effect, go to this point, and add the value to about 20. Now let's play the video. Now you see you have this beautiful animation for your screenshot. You can also add a tilt. Just to this side. And let's play the video. And just like that, you have seen you added the animation to your screenshots. There's another way to do that. Simply just deselect everything. Go to your title, add a screenshot on your timeline, go to the effects control, increase your size. For example, if you want to highlight something, just like the Startuplogy word, here select this rectangle tool and add a rectangle tool to about this. Here select your graphic, change its color to about orange or something yellow. Yeah, this one looks all right. So I'm going to select this. Here, now you need to add opacity. Just click on multiply. And there you have it. Now let's add some animation to it as well. If I select this motion, you will have this anchor point. Place it right here on the left side. Increase your size to about 50% so you can see better. Now in the scale menu, just drop it down, uncheck this option, and now let's increase the scale width. Add a keyframe where you want your scale to start, and increase its value when you want it to end. So let's play the video. You see you have this beautiful highlight effect in your video. You can add multiple by using this option. Here select the position and place it right here where you want it to start. Increase the scale width just like that. Now, if I play the video, you see you have this beautiful animation for your text highlight. Increase its size. Place this keyframe where you want the animation to end. I think this one is perfect. Yeah, this one looks good. Now, the main thing, the scale fit. If you want to animate this screenshot, simply just select both of these items and nest them. Now, go to the effects panel. Here, select the basic 3D and apply it on top of it. Go to the effects control. Here, adjust some of its position. And now let's add the swirl effect. Increase the scale a little bit more and place it right here and adjust the position. And there you go. If I play the video, you see you have this beautiful animation effect in front of you. I'll add a keyframe here and delete this one to start it right here. I'll delete this one as well and place it right here. Add a tilt to about, I'll add a tilt to about 6 degrees. And now let's play the video. And there you go. Now you have this beautiful animation effect for your screenshot. If I show you the original one, it was looking like this. It was just simple as that. So we have converted this one into this beautiful animation. And that's all it for today's video. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.